not the one that's going to kill us in the gas.
Yeah. The less toxic.
That's this one.
This might move the wood.
Should be impressive.
I don't like it here.
No.
There you go. Move the wood.
Right. I'd move back from this one.
Plant.
Yeah, the plant that hurts.
Monkey puzzle.
What is he doing? Wanking it?
Shanking it. Don't stab compressed gas, Lloyd.
Is he taking the lid off?
No, leave the lid on because then it won't. It'll take.
You'll give us a bit more time.
I don't want to get knocked off like. This can be big.
Now you have.
Oh!
Fire safety, fire safety, fire safety.
Nino!
Get the hose. Hose is on.